You're at 6263 Rainbow Heights Road, about to proceed with a camera inspection from the top floor toilet flange. A lot of calcium. I'm talking to the camera. And scaling in the lines. And we just passed what seems to be 440s or 490s. As you can tell, the cast iron has a huge buildup of calcium, forming troughs on both sides. And it's closed in on itself almost half of its size. Here at 27 feet, we have a belly in the line, which looks like almost a corrosion hole. Passing 3 bellies. Four. And 55 feet. Really does not want to go any further. That's it. In over 6 or 7 different spots, the line is almost closed in by half on itself. Extreme scaling on the cast iron and buildup of calcium all throughout the pipe. I'll get the owner so they can see what's going on. Okay, you want to come stand here so you can see? We're 47 feet, which I believe we're outside of the house by this point. This is all calcium buildup, and it goes throughout the entire line. This is the oxidized scaling that's going on inside the pipe. As you can see, it's almost closed in half on itself, and this works all the way through. As I draw it back, you'll see not only that you have significant bellies in the line, like so. See how it goes and dips and then comes back up. That's what we call a belly. I was able to push through a lot of this calcium or buildup, whatever it is. That's the only thing there's another belly. That's the only thing I can place it as. There's another belly.
What's that liquid you're seeing?
What's that?
What's that, all that liquid you're seeing?
That's water. It's stuck in the bellies. Because the pipe is like falling in on the inside where it keeps mostly dry, but then where it holds water, it's corroding down into the pipe. When those bellies are formed, they hold on to paper. See, here's another really significant one. That's the worst one, I think, at 25 feet, which would put us near the other toilet. It's just extremely old pipes, and you have extremely hard water up here.
That's a true statement.
I mean, that the combination of the two is what the problem is here. Oh, come on. Why? Why every time?
Why doesn't everybody have this problem up here?
They probably do.
You don't know it.
Yeah. I mean, this took you like 30 years, right?
Well, we've only been here 16.
Okay.
No, we've been here 20.
Okay. See, that's just, the cast iron is just bad. And here we are, right here. There was a repair done at some time in the past, right there at 9 feet. I could see where they cut out the pipe and put in a new coupling.
You want to unplug this so you save your light?
What's that?
Want to unplug it?
Oh, no, we gotta save this first. Okay, this concludes our video inspection of 6263 Rainbow Heights Drive.
You're talking to the